Welcome to Traveling Bits. We are at the metro station in the KR Market area of Bangalore. We just came out of Tipu's summer palace and going to the Bangalore fort now. Bangalore fort was first built as a mud fort by Kempe Gowda, who was a vassal of the then Vijaynagar Empire in 1537. In 1761, Hyder Ali replaced the mud fort with stone fort, which was further improved by Tipu Sultan.
This fort is around just 5 minutes walk from Tipu's palace, and we are going to see how the fort is. This is in between a very busy market area and pretty simple kind of thing. I have Priya today as a co-anchor, and let's take Priya's take on this.
So I think the place is really small, but I think it's very well maintained by the government. It's under the government, right? So I think let's just take it out. I think this might be the jail where people.
The fort was damaged during British war with Tipu Sultan. In 1791, the British East India Company under Lord Cornawallis captured the fort during Third Mysore War.
So as you see, in every city there is a piece of history. As we are seeing in Indian cities, as the population are growing, we are seeing a definite disconnect with history. People typically coming from outside, they hardly know about that place. But I feel it's very important to know about the history so that we can connect. So connecting, to people where we go for work, stay, it's very important. So what is your perspective, Priya, on that?
I think we belong from this country, and every citizen should respect the place. Also contribute to the government to keep it clean.
So we'll go inside the fort and check further.
Let's go.
The fort was originally about a kilometer in length from the Delhi Gate to the Karnataka Institute of Medical Science campus. Most of it has been demolished and other structures has been erected. Read the notes on the screen to know more. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for future updates.